Hi guys! Today we're learning how to upload high-quality snaps on Snapchat. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Once the camera opens, you'll be ready to adjust a few settings for better photo and video quality. These options can help make your snaps look clearer before you send them. Now, tap the arrow icon on the middle right side of the camera screen. This will expand the camera tools and show additional options. From here, you can enable features that improve the quality of your snaps. Next, enable the video stability option. This helps reduce camera shake while recording videos. Your snaps will appear smoother and more professional. After that, tap Grid to turn it on. The grid helps you frame your photos and videos more accurately. It's a useful feature for capturing well-balanced snaps. Now enable HD mode if it's available. This allows Snapchat to capture your snaps in higher quality. Your photos and videos will look sharper and more detailed. If you're taking snaps in low light or at night, turn on the flash if needed. You can also enable night mode to improve brightness and image quality in darker environments. These settings help you capture clearer snaps in challenging lighting conditions. And that's how you can upload high-quality snaps on Snapchat using the built-in camera features. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.